got Dalton's bowl. Yay!
And then, what are we doing today? We're going to the Waimea Canyon and like that Nepali cliffs hike.
Him his bowl.
Start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about that right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. Cause I was right to play my part.
Push up, push up, push up. Yeah.
My lies memorized in my.
Guys, Brinley's car literally has roaches.
Yeah, and look at the back. Holy, we're living back there. Even the front.
Even the front. But yeah, like I was driving the last night and a roach was crawling on the dash and I was like, I'm actually gonna crash. Brinley wanted to take some topless photos, so she took her top off, and we were like, wait, like, where's the lookout point? Everyone could see.
I was free.
Holding on, trying to let go is another song. Feels like if I did, I would do you wrong. I guess we are who we are till we're falling off. I can hear you calling.
The hat is so cute too. Oh, wow, I look white. Interesting. Anyways.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Say hey. Yeah, so today we are going on a hike and you had to have a local ID or you had to have a reservation, and our friend over here did not have one, so she was in the trunk. Say hey!
Let's go!
To be continued. Wow, everybody, look at that. Wow. This is unreal. Look at this tree. Fit check.
Fit check.
So this is the 22-mile hike that leads you along the coast. And we're definitely not doing the whole thing because I got a flight to catch. But
look at this. Look at this. It says
let's go.
Well, we made it to the first part. Look how pretty. Wow. Let me show you guys something real quick. Now, wow. Look at this.
It's so windy.
Like he's mad chilling.
He's mad chilling.
All right, guys, we're making it. Slippery. Whoa. Like this is unreal, you guys. Like this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Wow. Wow. Are you freaking kidding me?
Bye bye. Sucker.
Do a flip.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off the track.
How do you know?
Side to side.
Hey, say hi. Bye bye. Today we're gonna be doing a backflip off of this lovely rock. 1 second. Apparently, all my friends are clear over there. Set. There we go.
In the sky, cruising through.
I'm literally drowning.
Signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right choice. Hoping that you like boys like me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So officially we just did Hoopy Falls. It's Dalton's vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Please stay tuned and follow my Instagram at Dalton.dress, I think. Yeah, and like I'm right there. I have millions of subscribers and followers and everything. So just stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Woo! How was the falls?
10 out of 10, I'd say.
Did you come back?
Would recommend.
Okay, what'd you see?
I don't know. What did I see?
You
Tell
probably
me.
saw a waterfall.
Oh, I saw a waterfall, guys! OMG!
Okay. To my next guest, we have actually it's her channel, but what are your thoughts?
I thought it was awesome.
Okay.
I would say 8 out of 10 too, just because the sun wasn't out.
Exactly 8.
But the water was warm.
I beg to differ, but yeah. That's it. Man down, man down. Yeah, now it dropped down to a 7.3. Me too.
Me.